How do you unlock the magic of an in-person work session when you're not in person? With the Miro app in Zoom, a collaborative online whiteboard is just a few clicks away, even if you don't have a Miro account. Riff together in real time, with templates primed for brainstorms, agile planning sessions, daily stand-ups, and more. Whether it's a one-on-one, team huddle, or company-wide meeting, Miro can handle anything, big or small. When you're on the board, there's live cursor tracking. You can place comments anywhere you like. Get your team to vote on ideas and stay on track with a flexible timer, keeping engagement high and goals in focus. When the meeting wraps, your ideas stay on the board, so you can check back on that golden comment or share your masterpiece far and wide to any device. Miro boards can be easily embedded in the tools you use every day, like Asana, Jira, Notion, and more. And you can integrate these tools directly into your Miro board, so everyone stays in sync and connected, no matter where or how they work. Try the Miro app for Zoom.